Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing another Does It Work video, and it's going to be on my ugly headlights yet again. Last time we tried Mother's new lens, it didn't really work much, and today I'm going to try a different, I don't have it on me, it's a different polish. A friend I speak to through Instagram, he recommended it to me, so I'm going to try the new polish. It's just a compound and a polish. It's right here. It's Meguiars Ultimate Compound. So my friend told me you just put it on the buffer and you buff out the headlights and it should take it out. I don't know how good it's gonna work, but why not give it a shot? Let's see what we can do with it. Okay guys, before we actually get into the tutorial, we're gonna show you a quick before and after of the product we actually used. Once you get your headlights off your car, or if you're keeping them on your car like us, because we changed our minds, we didn't feel like taking them off, but that's not a big deal. So before you put the polish on, you want to go ahead and clean off your headlight. So I got myself some soapy water and some paper towels and microfiber. So just make sure you want to soak them, and then just take your paper towels or microfiber, whatever you want to use, just clean them off. Just give them a quick clean. Alright guys, just like every other video, we have a little pro tip for this one. We have this Velcro piece that I bought off Amazon that came with these buffers. But they're like a very soft fur, so I'm not going to use these on my headlights. I'm using something a little bit rougher. But I'm going to keep this. This is the main reason I bought this little kit off Amazon. We'll leave that link in the description. But this connects to the drill. It connects to the drill, and then the Velcro is on the end. And then you use these. You could buy them anywhere. Walmart, AutoZone, Target, Home Depot, Amazon, anywhere you want. You can get these. They're cheap. You just throw them on. Up. And they stick. So you stick, you put on the buffer, and you just let it run. Pro tip. Alright guys, so now we have the headlights cleaned, everything off, whatever we're doing. I'm going to start with this, the Meguiars compound. So of course, you're going to shake well, you know. And then I'm going to apply it right to the buffer pad, not to the headlight. And when you're using the drill, you don't want to put it at too high of a speed. So right now I have it at 2, which isn't too bad. Let's see what we could do. Yeah, that's good. I don't know if I got that. You're not recording? No, I am. I don't know if it was aimed at you. You see on my face now? Yeah. Damn. I have it in my eye and my mouth. As I'm going along with it, I think it's definitely working. If you look at this headlight, and then you look at the headlight over there, I think it's working. I'm just gonna keep coating it on. I don't know how many coats I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna keep going at it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. We did the compounding of the headlights. They came out awesome. So the Meguiars Ultimate Compound, definitely get the thumbs up. This worked amazing. I thought, in the beginning of the video, if you're gonna look back at this, you're gonna see that I wasn't really confident in this method, using it. Like, my confidence really wasn't there. I was preparing myself to have to go to AutoZone or somewhere to pick up sandpaper and do the wet sand method. But I'm like, you know what, let's just do the wet, let's just do the compound just to see how it works, why not? But I did it, and I was very surprised using the drill bit and the buffer and the compound. It worked amazing. The Meguiars is awesome. And once again, thanks to my friend on Instagram who DM'd me this method. Helped me out a lot, and my headlights look amazing. So now I'm just gonna clean up over here where we have all splash marks, got the rest of the tools off the driveway, and just give my car a little wash because it's not looking the cleanest right now. The water stains are still there. I hope to find the solution to that problem. But as of now, I'm just gonna end the video, clean my car, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions on the tail headlights, leave them in the comments. Or my Instagram is in the outro, Chris is in the outro. DM us or leave a comment. See you later, guys.